Hi friends, welcome back to the channel, Hobbyist Artist. Today, we're going to draw the cuttest little dinosaur you've ever seen. This is a step-by-step pencil sketch that's perfect for beginners, kids, or anyone who just loves adorable characters. So, grab your pencil, eraser, and paper, and let's get started. Step 1. Basic shapes. First, lightly sketch a big oval for the head. This is going to be our dino's friendly, oversized face. Underneath that, draw a pear shape for the body, slightly wider at the bottom to give it that baby dinosaur look. Add a long, curved line extending from the body for the tail. Keep these shapes light, because we'll erase the guidelines later. Step 2. Facial features. Inside the head oval, draw two big, round eyes with lots of space for highlights. This will make the dinosaur look super cute and full of life. Add a small curved line for the smile, and two tiny dots above it for the nostrils. Don't forget to add a little eyebrow shape above each eye to give some expression. Step 3. Arms, legs, and spikes. Next, add two small arms sticking out from the body. Keep them short with tiny claw-like fingers. For the legs, draw them big and rounded at the bottom, with 3 small toes on each foot. Along the back, draw small triangular spikes all the way down to the tip of the tail. Step 4. Details and texture. Now, let's give our dino some personality. Add a few oval spots on the body and tail. Draw some curved lines on the belly to create that segmented look. These little details will make your dinosaur more interesting and lively. Shading and final touches. Time for shading. Darken the areas under the chin, belly, and legs to create depth. Shade lightly along one side of the tail for a rounded effect. Keep the shading smooth by using small circular motions. Finally, erase any remaining guidelines. Sharpen your lines, and make the eyes extra dark so they stand out. And there you have it, your own adorable baby dinosaur. If you enjoyed this drawing, hit the like button, subscribe for more cute art tutorials, and share your dinosaur drawings in the comments below. See you next time.